Hi, good day. My name is Richard Mitchell, and today I'm going to be configuring something called GPOs. Now, GPOs are group policy objects. Okay? Now, in my opinion, this is the most important part of being a system administrator, because how a user interacts with the systems you're responsible for is like the highest of should be, in my opinion, the highest, it should be given the highest level of attention, because users interact in many different ways. For some, there are users who will simply just log onto a machine and do what it's intended for, and then there are other users who would honestly just stray and want to, let's use the word, investigate things they really should not be in. Now, let's begin by signing into the server. Now that you have signed into the server, you're going to go into the administrative tools. You're going to open something called Group Policy Management. So the first thing you want to do is begin by expanding your forest. You're going to open up the forest.com. You're going to open out the domains, and now to set.com. On the Group Policy Objectives. Now the next step, you go to the domain, right click on it, and you're going to link an existing GPU. You look for the GPU you just created, and you're going to hit OK. Now that we have linked the GPU to set.com, you're going to have to right click on it, edit. Alright. Now when the edit options open, you're going to see two options: computer configurations, user configurations, and on the left side you're going to see some options here. Now under computer configurations there's a tab called policies. So when you go to policies, right click, you're going to see three options now: software settings, Windows settings, administrative templates. Let's go through software settings. Software installation. Okay. So for this tutorial, we're going to go under user configuration. We're going to expand the policies. You're going to see software, Windows settings, and administrative settings. Let's go through Windows settings. Now under user configurations, there's the administrative template. Now that we are in the policies here, we're going to open the control panel. Edit out this prohibit access to the control panel. Enabled, as you can see here. It's okay. Then we're gonna go ahead now with the onto the desktop. Now we are going to remove the recycle bin. As you can see, it's enabled here. So we're gonna go right ahead, okay, and sign in on our client now. Settings would not be applied immediately. A command to ensure that this goes smoothly. You go open the command prompt box. I'm gonna type gp update force and hit enter. Now as you can see here, the user policy update has been completed successfully. So let's line into our client. So now that the client has been powered on, you're gonna go to start. You'll see that the control panel has been removed. And if you also go to computer here, do a search for control panel. Alright. Now to check to save the other option, as you can see there is no recycle bin here. So this concludes my tutorial for GPOs.